Let's start with the basic idea of a copula function. In finance, different variables often behave in different ways. One may rise smoothly, another may move unpredictably. A copula function is a mathematical tool that helps us connect these different variables while keeping their individual behavior unchanged. Instead of forcing everything into one common pattern, a copula acts like a bridge. It keeps each variable's identity, but allows us to study how they move together. In simple terms, it helps us understand relationships between variables without changing how each one behaves on its own. In financial markets, relationships between assets are rarely simple. Traditional correlation measures often fail to capture what really happens, especially during volatile or crisis periods. Two assets may seem only slightly related during normal market conditions, but suddenly move together during stress. This is where copulas become useful. They separate individual behavior from dependency, allowing analysts to model joint risk more realistically. By using copulas, finance professionals can better understand hidden relationships that simple correlation numbers may miss. Now let's understand the process in simple steps. First, we start with multiple variables, each having its own unique distribution. These distributions could look completely different from each other. Next, we convert each variable into a common uniform scale between 0 and 1. This step removes differences in shape and makes them comparable. After that, the copula function combines these standardized variables into a single joint structure. Finally, we map this relationship into a known multivariate distribution so we can analyze dependency clearly. So the idea is simple. Take different variables, standardize them, connect them, and study their joint behavior. Copula functions became highly popular in finance because they offered a practical way to model dependency across many assets. They are widely used in credit risk analysis, portfolio risk management, and structured finance products. For example, when analyzing a large pool of loans, copulas help estimate how defaults might happen together instead of independently. However, they are not perfect. If the dependency assumptions are incorrect, the results can be misleading. During financial crises, some models underestimated joint risk, showing the importance of careful usage. Today, copulas are still useful, but they are combined with stress testing and other risk tools for more reliable analysis.